Hello friends and welcome back to another video. This is probably going to be the last nail art video of this year, and I decided to create a fruit nail art as it's the strawberry season and these look really cute on the nails. So the first design on the thumb is a strawberry flower, and this is my strawberry flower and I tried to recreate that on my thumb. For this I took red polish and I painted my nail, and then using white polish I made a simple flower and I made a few dots all around on the red polish, and I gave the flower a yellow center and finished off the design by applying a layer of top coat. For this next design I have used the stamping plate which I had, and I didn't have my black stamping polish so I used the blue one. So I simply took the image on the stamper head, and you can remove off any excess images using a sellotape, and then I gave a layer of glossy top coat because I'll be filling in colors next. Then I used the glitter red polish and I filled in the strawberries with this polish. After filling red colors inside the strawberry image, I used light green polish and a dotting tool, and I used that and I dotted off a few dots all around the strawberries because my nails were white in color, so I needed some green color also. And I let it dry off a little bit till it was a little tacky, and then you can simply stamp on the design on the nails with the base color white and press down the surrounding areas and trim off the excess decal, and you can finally finish off the design by using some nail polish remover and a cleanup brush and just melt off the excess all around. After the cleanup, apply a generous layer of top coat and the design is done. This next design is a strawberry on my nail design. For this I have used the same red polish on my nails, which is a glitter red polish, and I used white polish to draw the sepals of the strawberry on my nail first. I also used the white polish and gave a few dots all around on the red area because strawberries also have the seeds on its surface, and when they are not ripe they look kind of yellowish white in color. Then I used green color and I colored up the sepals. Adding a white base makes the green color pop out, otherwise on top of the red base it is not visible that much. And then clean up any mess and finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and this very easy strawberry nail art is also done. On my pointer finger I made this little strawberry and some red and white dots kind of design. For this I used a skin color nail polish and I added 3/4 white polish towards the lower half, adding 3 big red dots and some smaller red dots. And on one corner I created a really small strawberry using the same red polish, and I gave it the green sepals, and I also added some white dots on the 3 larger red dots, and finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. And my little finger has this very simple red and white polka dot design, so using the same glitter polish I gave a layer of red color on the nails, and when it dried off I used white polish and created a few dots here and there. And finally I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat to seal it all in, and that brings us to the end of this really easy fruit nail art. I like strawberries if they are sweet but not if they are sour. But I hope you liked this really easy strawberry nail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.